Hey, so if your Typeform design is not updating, yeah, like you make changes but nothing shows on the live form, that can be really confusing. Don't worry, this is a pretty common issue. In this video, I'll show you how to fix it step by step. First, make sure you actually clicked the publish button after making changes. I mean, Typeform doesn't update the live form automatically unless you publish it. Next, refresh the page where your form is live. Yeah, sometimes the old version is still cached. Now, clear your browser cache and cookies. Old stored data can stop new design updates from appearing. If your form is embedded on a website, make sure the embed is updated. I mean, sometimes the old embed code is still being used, especially on platforms like Webflow or WordPress. If you're using caching tools or a CDN, they might still serve the old version. Try clearing your site cache or temporarily disabling those tools. Sometimes custom CSS or themes can override your Typeform design. Yeah, this can make it look like changes aren't working. After that, test the form on another device or browser. This helps confirm if the issue is local or global. If nothing works, try duplicating the form and publishing it again. Sometimes this fixes hidden glitches in the design. So yeah, that's how you fix Typeform design not updating. Usually it's just a publish or cache issue. Try these steps and your changes should appear properly. Thanks for watching.